Hello everyone, so today we are gonna do Nernst equation and we will solve its numericals given in the ncert. So we have reaction AA plus BB, CC and DD. Reactants are AA plus BB and products are CC and DD. Then the Nernst equation is E cell equals to E naught cell minus 2.303 RT NF log, नीचे है C and उसकी स्टोइकोमेट्रिक कोफिशिएंट इज C, D and इसकी स्टोइकोमेट्रिक कोफिशिएंट इज D, A its coefficient, B its coefficient. So this is the Nernst equation. Clear? Now what to do is E naught cell, it is standard electrode potential. This is electrode potential. R is a gas constant, T is temperature, N is number of electrons involved, F is Faraday constant, that is equal to 96500 coulomb, and these are the given quantities in the reactants. Okay, now if you are given the temperature 298 Kelvin, means let us see how much Celsius degree they are speaking. 298 Kelvin or 25 degrees Celsius temperature is given, then you will use the formula E naught cell. E cell is equals to E naught cell minus this whole value. You just solve it and write it 0.059 or 1 N. Then the same log C, log D, log A, log B. And this Nernst equation is not only helpful in finding E cell, so it is also helpful in using equilibrium constant Kc. How you can find it? E cell is equals to, you know this equation, right? And this whole concentration we just change it to log Kc. Just write it as log Kc. We are talking at equilibrium, right? So at equilibrium E cell is equals to 0. So E naught cell is equals to 0.059 or 1 N log of Kc. Then you have just calculation as anti-log. Kc is equilibrium constant. Okay. Now the second use is to find standard Gibbs free energy change. How you can find it? Firstly, it is denoted as delta G naught. Okay, and delta G naught is represented as minus NF E naught cell. You can derive it as, because for the Gibbs free energy you need work done. For energy you need work done. So what is the work done? Electrical work done we can say, because electrical chemical cell is required. Potential difference into charge, you know the formula, W is equals to VQ, yeah, QV. Okay, potential difference is represented as E cell, E naught cell, sorry, and charge is NF. See, 1 mole of the electron contains 1 Faraday, that is 96500 coulomb, but you do not know how many moles are given. So the charge taken is N moles into F Faradays. Okay, so equation number 1. And for spontaneous reactions, Gibbs free energy is required in spontaneous reactions only, and for the spontaneous reaction the work done is equals to minus delta G naught. Minus delta G naught. So work done is E naught cell into NF equals to minus delta G naught. Transfer the minus, so you get minus NF E naught cell, equation number 2. So it is how we derived it. So this was the Nernst equation also. And third thing we are going to do is, if you are to find the relation between delta G naught and Kc, so it could be delta G naught equals to minus 2.303 RT log of Kc. Clear? Four things. If two half reactions having the potential E01 and E02 are combined, ठीक है, मान लो 3 electrode potentials or 3 half cells are given, delta G naught 3 equal to delta G naught number 1 plus delta G naught 2, or you can write it as E naught 3 equals to N3 naught 3 equals to N1 E naught 1 plus N2 E naught 2. You can transform it as you required. And the fifth thing we need is a relation between E cell and the pH, and it is required for She. So EH plus to H2 is equals to E naught H plus to H2, means E naught cell, minus 0.0591 log of 1 over H plus, right? And E naught for hydrogen is 0, minus 0.0591, and you can write it as minus of log H plus. So it, and minus log pH plus is written as pH. So this is the relation between E cell and pH. So we have completed the Nernst equation. Let's head toward the formulas practice with the help of NCERT numericals. Example 3.1 is represent the cell in the following reaction. It is MgS plus 2Ag positive having the concentration of 0.0001 molar, giving rise to products Mg2 positive having 0.130 molar plus 2Ag solid. And for the solid substances, the concentration is taken as 1. So we have to calculate E cell if E naught cell is 3.17 volt. So let's start. Basically we have to find E cell, and also we need to write the equation. So E cell is equals to E naught cell minus RT NF. You can write it as log ln or log. Now solids are taken as 1, so we didn't write it. Just we will write the product side above and the lower side down. Ag plus has coefficient 2, so we will write 2 as its power. So it is 3.17 minus, it is written as 0.059, and is how many electrons changes take place? 2 plus 2 plus, so it is 2. Log of Mg2 plus is 0.130 and Ag has 0.0001 square. So calculate it. 3.17 minus 0.059 by 2 ln 0.130. फालतू जो डेसिमल्स हैं उसको कट कर देंगे. 3 इसके के ऊपर 1032. So 3 and 3 cut. What is left is ठीक है 3.17 and its value is 0.21. So we get answer is 2.96 volts. Next question is Cu solid plus 2Ag positive aqueous will give you Cu2 positive aqueous plus 2 Ag solid, and E naught cell is given 0.46 volt. Need to find Kc. So the relation is E naught cell equals to 0.59 divided by N log Kc. So put the values. 0.46 equals to 0.059, 2 electrons. You can see 2 Ag means 2 plus 2, so 2 log of Kc. So log Kc is equals to 0.46 into 2, 0.059, 0.46 into 2. It is 0.92 divided by 0.059. It is approximately equals to 15.6. And transfer the Kc. So it will be anti-log of 15.6. From log table we checked. So the value is 15 come into 10 raised to 15, and anti-log of 0.6 is 3.9 Kc. Next example is, you need not to worry for the log tables. You will get the value of log table indirectly in exam. Example 3.3. Standard electron potential is given, means E naught cell is given 1.1 volt. Zns plus Cu2 positive aqueous, Zn2 positive aqueous plus Cus. Need to find standard Gibbs free energy. It is delta G naught equals to minus Nf E naught cell. It is minus of 2. F is 96500 into 1.1. So calculate this. 965 0 into 22. Units are kJ, kilojoule per mole. Okay, so we have done the examples, and there are 3 to 4 these 3 questions based on the Nernst equation. We will perform them in the next video. Thank you for this video, and if you like the video, press the like button, hit the subscribe icon, and don't forget to ring the bell for further notifications from my channel.